Hi guys, in today's video we're going to unbox some innerwear from Uniqlo. So I have seen the ad of that t-shirt which can convert moisture into heat. So it's a heat tech technology which is offered by this brand. So if you can see, this is the brand name Uniqlo. It's a Japanese based company, and I think their outlets are in Noida, not all over the India, and they are a multinational company which I think have outlets throughout the world, maybe in Australia, Singapore, and also let's see how they have like pack my item. It looks standard packing material like Amazon gives, and inside that they have shown some instructions. Points to remember: for returns, please check the size, color before removing cutting tags. Used and washed items are not eligible for returns, and following items are non-returnable due to hygienic reason: innerwear, socks, mask, baby wear, swimmer. So I guess I won't be able to return this now. It cost me around 890, and 100 rupees they are charging for every shipping. So it doesn't matter how much rupee you are going to spend on it. They will just charge 100 rupees standardly. So if you want to have any order, so just add 100 rupee with it. So as you can see, this is the technology heat tech which they are saying, and I have ordered the L size with a V neck, and I can say that it's a good packing, I think. And as you can see in the outlet, they must have hanging it like that. And this is some other things which they are mentioned in the package. So let me just turn off my flash and then try to read it. Heat observation: when heat observe body moisture's movement with the tiny droplet generates the heat. So as you can see, most of the material, when we try to wear it inside, and when we do any workout or anything like that, we tends to start sweating, and it's really hard to change the clothing because of that, and it leads to lots of problems, like we started to get cold and all. But with this, I think it will stop. So it can also retain heat. It's very quick in drying, and it has odor control as well. I have seen many videos claiming that they have been wearing it for 3 days without changing it or washing it, and they seems to be fine. And most of the reviews I get it from either from New Zealand and I think from USA as well. So not from India. So that's why I think of buying it and tell you the honest review about it. So shape retention is there, anti-static is there, soft texture is there, smooth to touch is there, and stretchable comfort is also there. So let's see what kind of materials they are offering. And should I need to, okay, so do remember that it will be open from there. So don't cut this, you can just open it from this layer. So this is the thing which you will get, and man, this is so soft. As you can see how thin it is. It is see-through cloth, and this is the actual thing. And this is the quality. And if you want to have a close-up, let me just turn on my flash again, and now you can see what kind of material they are having. And I think they have used some statics I don't know, maybe some conduction kind of thing, because it's really shining a lot, which I don't see it in any inner wears. So I guess there must be something unique about this, and you will get a logo from this, and it's a long sleeve material, and you will get this thing as well. So there is a border, but in sleeve border is there, but in the, if you see the image, you won't see that, I think, because I thought that it will be just somewhere here, they will not provide anything, but it's there. So it will help you to have a snatch fit with this. So I think that is all for the video, and do remember that don't cut any tags, and but you can see there is no tag inside it because it's an innerwear, and they strictly said that it is not returnable. So unless you see any holes in this, but I think it's looking like okay to me. So this is the thing, very thin product, and I think and very smooth as well. So I will just make another video of in which I will tell you how warm it is, and whether it is of that worth which they are saying, like it is able to retain heat or convert moisture into heat and stuffs like that. So I might also do a workout and then give some feedbacks about it. So I will post, I think, another video maybe in 1 or 2 days, and this is the size chart you will get. So that's the unboxing of this. If you have any question regarding this product, please comment below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible, and please like and subscribe if you find this video of any help. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. So I have just shown you the unboxing for this thing. So it's a Uniqlo innerwear heat tech category. So as you can see how thin it is, I have already shown you in my previous section that how thin the material is. So this is how it looks. So it's very thin. So regarding the review, I have been using it for 10 days now, and it's a one-time wash already. So my experience is very mixed now. For the first time when I wear it, I feel it's really warm, and it's giving some heat and all. But after wearing it for 2 to 3 days or 4 days, maybe my body get used to this material, or it just stop providing any heat. So it's not very good technology or breakthrough technology, you can say. You can feel the same thing with any thermocoat. The only advantage you will get is the thin material, because you will not get any thin material like that. And second advantage you will get is when you actually start sweating, it will help you absorb those sweats or moisture, you can say, which is not available with the normal thermocoat. So that is also one thing. Another thing regarding the fitting, it's like large size and it's totally fit to my body, and they have a very short sleeve, so it will be around this length only, which is fine. I actually wanted to have something similar to that, because I don't want to keep stretching and make it too hair, and because it was already there, so it don't irritates you. I have wear this after knowing that it is bacteria free thing, so you won't get a itchy material even wearing it for 2 to 3 days. So for up to some extent it is true, and my skin is very what should I say, very prone to that bacteria thing, and it start itching when I don't change the clothes. But with this I didn't find that problem. So you do feel itching when you wear it after just getting the bath, but other than that I think it's good. So one thing you need to keep in mind while using it is
you need to wear it without your vest. So if you going to wear above your vest, it will not going to provide you that much heat as it is claiming. So I have wear for 2 days, like before, I mean without vest, and 2 days with vest on. So my experience is like, more it touch your body, more heat will it will be able to produce. So do mind that. And other than that, I think it cost me around 990 rupees something. And with that price, I think it's value for money, I think, because it's a new thing, and I'm really like paranoid by the moisture thing, which really a problem in winter season, because when you get sweaty, you tend to, like, you are exposing yourself for having a cold or so. But this material helps you like getting dry. So I think it's also good for sports. But as far as the warm goes, I don't find it that warm as they are claiming. But again, they have two categories. This is for normal cold, and one is for ultra warm. Not ultra warm, I think medium warm category. So I will buy my next one will be from that category, which will cost me around 1400 rupees, I think. But I think that's value for money, and you can buy it, because normal thermocoat cost you around 4 to 500 rupees. And just for the moisture thing, I will recommend this, because it's not that bad. And also when you try to exercise it, like when you wearing it, and I have two layers right now, and one t-shirt, and when I wear it inside, I feel actually warm when I go outside. And also when you try to change clothes, you started to get cold. But if you wearing this, I don't have that kind of problem, and I don't get cold while like changing the clothes. So for that reason, it is able to retain some heat. And other than that, I think it's a very good product, and stretchy material is really nice. And I think size wise, it's pretty much accurate what they are claiming, because I wear large size, and this is also large, so it fits me really well. So I think I have covered all the things related to this particular material. And do mind that you need to wear it directly to your body rather than putting some vest inside. So that is something you need to keep in mind while using it, because I think most of the users are not doing it, and they started complaining that it is a very bad product. But it is not. But that is but not that great. Like you will started to feel that yeah, I'm heating right now. Nothing like that. It's just a thermocol with a very slim material. So I think I have cleared myself up regarding this product. And if you have any comment or doubts regarding this product, please comment below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And if this video of any help for you guys, please comment below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.